In this video, we're going to show you how to use Excel financial functions to price a bond. So let's look at our bond. It's a $100,000 face coupon being paid in 5 years and $1,500 semi-annual or twice a year payments. So it looks like this. 6 months from now you get $1,500, 12 months from now $1,500, and in 60 months, 5 years from now you get $1,500 plus $100,000. It's a 3% coupon bond because you're getting paid $3,000 or 3% of the face each year. Now we can price this bond two ways. We can simply use the net present value function. But what rate of interest do we use for 6 months? Well, let's suppose the prevailing interest rate is 5% per year. Let X be the 6-month rate. So $1 would grow to 1 plus X in 6 months, and that 1 plus X would grow by a factor of 1 plus X in the next 6 months. So 1 plus X times 1 plus X must equal 1.05. You solve there, you get that your semi-annual, effective rate is 2.47%. So if you want to find out the value of this, you could use a straight NPV function. Okay, use this rate, and then here are your payments. Because again, NPV function assumes the first payment is 1 period from now, which would be 6 months from now. So that would be 91,501.42. Formula text shows us what that is. Okay, now we could also do this with the PV function, separating out the value of the coupons and the value of the face, which I've done in rows 12 through 14, but I guess we'll do it again here. And then add those together. So you could use the PV function because the coupons are an annuity, a 12-period annuity. Okay, a 10-period annuity, sorry. So we'd have a rate of the effective semi-annual rate. We would have 10 periods, and the payment would be minus 1,500. That makes the PV give a plus value. There's no future value. I could include that in here as the face, but I'll separate it out. And it's end of the month payments. So that's going to be $13,148.81. And then if I want to use the PV function to get the value of the face, or I could just divide it by 1 plus this rate to the 10th. But PV, there's your rate. We've got 10 periods. Our payment would be minus 100,000. So the PMT is 0. It's the future value. That's the minus 100,000. And that'll be end of the period. So that's 78,352.62. Then we add those together, we should get the same result. So just add these, and you will get $91,501.42 is what this bond is worth. So I don't care which way you do it, but it's a snap to do it this way. And most of the books I look at use these tables or ugly formulas, and why bother when you have these great functions?
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.